In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Slack on desktop. Keeping Slack up to date ensures you get the latest features, performance improvements, and security fixes, and the process only takes a moment. Start with Slack open on your desktop. Look to the very top left corner of the Slack window and find the hamburger menu, the icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click that to open the main menu. From this menu, move down to the Help option and select it. In the Help section, click Check for Updates. This is the built-in way to trigger Slack's update process from right inside the app, so you don't have to hunt around anywhere else or download anything manually. When you choose Check for Updates, Slack will open the Microsoft Store to check for any available updates for the Slack app. That's expected behavior, and it means the system is verifying whether a new version is ready for you. Give it a moment to load. The Microsoft Store will either automatically start checking in the background or display Slack's page with the option to update. If you see an update button for Slack, go ahead and click it. The download will begin, and you'll see a progress indicator as it installs. The speed depends on your internet connection, so a steady connection helps this go smoothly. Once the update is done, Slack may refresh on its own. If you're prompted to restart Slack to finish the update, just close the app and open it again. Your workspaces and messages will all still be there. If there's no update button and the store indicates you're up to date, you're all set. That simply means you already have the latest version installed, and there's nothing else you need to do. A couple of quick tips while you update. If you're in an active conversation or a call, consider wrapping it up first, since Slack might briefly restart as the update completes. Also, keeping the app open during the process is fine, but don't worry if it briefly reloads. This is normal when new files are applied. To recap the flow you just followed, open the hamburger menu at the top left of Slack, choose Help, then select Check for Updates. This will open the Microsoft Store to check for updates, and if one is available, you can update it right there. That's all it takes to make sure your desktop Slack stays current. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother, more secure Slack experience after your update.